What's up with you? So can you talk like a Jamaican yet? Don't worry about it. Get your copy of Talk Jamaican, and this channel will always be here teaching you how to sound like a true Jamaican. So if you're enjoying these lessons, subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Have a wonderful day. You know what time it be? A turn down part time. Yeah man, I saw them say a country. When mango time come, they say a turn down part time. That means they not cook again for the whole time. Because mango season, it start from about May until about September, October, the mango them still around. But true, me love my cook food. Me not turn down my pot. But me love mango, Man, me say me come from St. Elizabeth, and St. Elizabeth had the nicest mango in the world. You know what name? It named Robin mango. Robin mango. I want green skin mango. And me say it's sweeter than honey. Oh God. You see when you eat that mango there, the juice just run out of your mouth. And the seed turn white when you comb it. And guess what? The mango then not a worm, so you don't have to worry about a buck up no worm in it. Nah, man. But you have some such people who say, oh, I can't eat mango that have hair that will stick in my teeth. Well, as far as me can see, them they are the sweetest mango. The mango them with enough hair. The robin where the hair stick up in your teeth and the hair turn white upon the seed when you finish eat it. You know another mango we nice too? A East Indian mango, yes. That one they not come from St. Elizabeth. In fact, me not think me ever did see that one there at St. Elizabeth when me grow up. But you find plenty of that down in a Yalas, in a St. Thomas. But master, most time you have to eat them same thing there at night time because they're full of worm. If you look pan try eat it at daytime, you have to just bun pan skip all over the place trying not to bite one worm. Yeah man, a serious thing. So you have to eat East Indian mango at night time. Me did love East Indian mango so much that when me move to a town where we call Kingston, as me like a country girl, and me move to a town at Kingston. Me do? Me buy one East Indian mango tree. Me go to Hope Gardens. Hope Gardens are where them have all the pretty flowers and plants and you can buy the sucker them. Me no go up there go buy one East Indian mango tree. One little one, and me water it and me watch it for about 5 years. And guess what? When the mango bear, no hairy mango, Lord, me nearly dead. Me go back up there and me say, hold on, how you sell me hairy mango and say East Indian mango? Them say the place where sell me lock long so they can't do nothing about it. A wickedness, But I hear mango did well sweet though. Me can't complain about it, although I know that me did really want. Me like hair mango too, but me love sweet East Indian mango more. Hair mango don't have so much worm all the same. But for all them stush people who say, oh, me don't like mango I have here. Me don't mind the little Bombay one day. No, here it nice to eat. But one mango where them have all year round in Jamaica, in Julie, everywhere you turn you see Julie mango tree. But me don't like it, I must say that's why it's so common. The mango them what me like. Me can't find them because me can't find robin mango at town. A 2 robin mango tree, me see a town from me live there almost about 30 years. And me control them. But boy, if you want to get the real Mackay, you have to go to St. Elizabeth. Anyway, mango nice. All of them. Sweetie come brush me number 11. Hairy mango, the whole of them. But give me my robin mango. You don't see it. It's mango season. The delicious Jamaican mangoes. Oh, mangoes are all over the world, but I think our mangoes are nicest. In the previous section, I was telling you how much I love the robin mango. I'm a St. Elizabeth girl, and that mango is from that beautiful parish of St. Bess. It's a delicious, sweet mango. When you eat it, the seed turns white, and the juice just runs down. But you don't find it anywhere else. When I went to live in Kingston, I searched high and low, and every time I wanted robin mango, I had to go back to St. Elizabeth. They have 1 or 2 trees in Jamaica, but in Kingston, but not that many. So that is where I learned to eat the East Indian mango, because that also, you know, you have some Jamaicans who say they don't like the mangoes with the strings, but I find those are the sweetest ones. The Robin mango has the strings, and the next one is the East Indian, which is the one I like next to Robin. That one you find mostly in a place called Yallas in St. Thomas. But boy, the worms love that mango, so you are better off eating it in the night when you can't see what is in them, because if you try to eat a East Indian mango in the day, either you spend all your time cutting out the worms or you have to throw it away. So just eat it in the night and forget it. It's a delicious mango. Every parish in Jamaica has its own special mango. In Portland, you have Sweetie Cum Brushby. These are all delicious mangoes. You know, I love the East Indians so much that I went up to a place called Hope Gardens. That is in Kingston, where you can get all sorts of plants and flowers to buy. And I went to the nursery and bought me a sucker to plant my own East Indian mango. But guess what? I watched it for 5 whole years, and when it bore, guess what? It was a hairy mango. I was so disappointed. But it was very, very sweet nevertheless. I went back to them and complained, but they gave me some excuse about the place having been locked down long ago. That's not true. There was a nursery there still, but nobody takes responsibility when these things happen. Anyway, in Jamaica, they call mango season the time when you turn down the pot. In other words, everybody eats mangoes, so you're not going to cook. But I love cooked food, and I love mango. So me not turn down my pot, but enjoy our great selection of Jamaican mangoes. Have a wonderful day.
Me no drink coffee tea, mango time, care how nice it may be, mango time, at the height of the mango crop, when the fruit them a ripe and drop, wash up hot, turn them down, mango time. Make we go mango walk, mango time, for it's only the talk, mango time. Make we jump on the big jackass, ride him down and not a papas, for the bank was full, mango time. Turpentine large and fine, mango time, Robin mango so sweet, mango time, down by 11 and here is skint, at the back and around the bin, make the best of the crop, mango time. Me no drink coffee tea, mango time, care how nice it may be, mango time. At the height of the mango crop, when the fruit them a ripe and drop, wash up hot, turn them down,